In this video, I'm going to discuss angle sum property of a triangle. So this is a very important relationship that is often used in geometry and trigonometry. So the result is the sum of the measures of the angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. So no matter what the shape of triangle is, so if we have A, B, and C, the three angles, the sum of angles is always gonna be 180 degrees. And we're gonna use this result to solve some examples now, some problems here. So let's first find the measure of the missing angle in the first triangle. So let's work with this one. So in this one, x is the missing angle. And since we know that the sum of angles is 180 degrees, so in this case, 58 degrees plus 41 degrees plus x, this sum should be equals to 180 degrees. So in other words, x is equal to 180 degrees, and you can subtract the other two angles, and we get x is equal to 180 degrees minus 99 degrees. So we got x is equal to 81 degrees. Right, so this was pretty straightforward. So let's take a look at our second example. So in this case, we notice that we need to figure out this angle x, and this angle is given 620 degrees, and this angle is the corner angle, so it's about 90 degree, the right angle. So again, if we want to figure out x, so since sum of all three angles is 180 degrees, so x would be 180 and subtract the other two angles from 180. So from here we get x is equal to 28 degrees. Right. So let's take a look at the next two problems. So number 3. So in this one, we are given three angles which are same and three sides which are same. So one thing that we notice is if we have the same sides and same angle, so this is an equilateral triangle. So no matter what kind of triangle you have, the sum of interior angles is always gonna be 180 degrees. So in this case we get x plus, so we get x plus x plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So we got 3x is equal to 180 degree. So dividing both sides by 3, we get x equal to 60 degrees. So each angle is 60 degree in this triangle. All right, so let's take a look at our last example, which is our showstopper example. So in this case, you will see that this is a little bit more complex problem because here we have two angles that are missing. So this is missing and this angle is missing. But we are given some additional information about the sides. So in this case, we know that this side and this side are equal. And if we have two sides equal, so first of all, we recognize that it's an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. And we notice that, so if you remember, in one of the videos I told you the property of isosceles triangles, that the opposite angles of isosceles of the equal sides are same. So in this case, the opposite angle. So what angle we're talking about? So let me just mark with a new color. So this is the angle which is opposite to this side. And similarly, this is the angle which is opposite to this side. So these angles must be equal. So it means y is equal to 72 degrees. And now we know that this angle is also 72 degrees. So we know two angles, we can figure out the third missing angle. So now we use our angle sum property. So using angle sum property, x plus y plus 72 degrees equal to 180 degrees. X we don't know, y is also 72 degrees, 72 degrees, 180 degrees. So we get x is equal to 180 minus 72 minus 72. So which in turn gives us x equal to 36 degrees. So always remember the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. And if you have some special properties of the triangles, so you can even use that information to find more than one missing angles. Thanks for watching this video.